Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch off the device without using the power button. So with the power button, just tap and hold on the power button. You can see the window for switch off. That means power off. So let me show you how to switch off the device without using the power button. Using the accessibility shortcut menu, we can easily switch off the device. So here you can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. If you tap on this one, so here you can see the option power. Just tap on this one, you can see the same window to switch off the device. To enable the accessibility shortcut menu, go to settings, tap on additional settings, tap on accessibility, tap on accessibility menu, turn on this option. Okay, after that tap on the accessibility shortcut menu, just tap on the option power, tap on the white circle and swipe to bottom and leave your hand. Simply you can see the device is now switched off. So in case if your power button is not working properly, using this accessibility shortcut menu, you can easily switch off the device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.